the art of body language, the art of non-verbal cues is dying.
Set 2.
Set 2, let's go.
Carl made me do this.
Majority, 80 to 90% ng communication. Like when you're interacting with someone, when you're talking with someone, 80 to 90% is body language. Hindi talaga part yung kung ano yung sinasabi mo, kung ano yung gusto mo sabihin, yung content. Tuloy-tuloy, nice. 2, continue. Yan, squeeze ang abs, squeeze ang abs. Ipitin mo yung weight, ipit, nice. Kaya mahalaga yung mga first impression eh, kasi it sticks like a glue. Kung yung unang impression sa'yo ng tao, for the rest of the period, for the rest of the time, yun yung tatatak sa utak niya.
Mas maganda lighting mo.
When you observe people who's charismatic, who's in leadership roles, mga president, someone who's appointed in leadership roles, isa mo mapapansin, these leaders, these kind of people, these charismatic people are so attuned and sobrang well-developed yung body language nila, the way they present themselves.
Yes, ma-recommend ko rin ng calisthenics or weighted calisthenics kasi syempre ang fitness hindi lang siya sa bodybuilding. Everywhere siya. Kahit sa pag-walk mo, pag-escape or bike, hindi lahat ng fitness. Kaya try nyo ang calisthenics.